In this video, I will show you how to order from AliExpress. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to aliexpress.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is come and search for what you want to order or purchase on AliExpress. If you scroll down on the homepage, you can see some deals which are available daily, but if there is something in particular you're looking for, what you can do is use the search box at the top. So if we just go ahead and search for a hat, I'm just going to use this as an example, and then what you're going to want to do is find the item that you want to purchase. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to hover over this one. This is the one that I want to see. So what I'm going to do is come down when I've hovered over it and click the see preview button underneath the hat. What that's going to do is open up a window like this where we can get a closer look at the item in detail and see the options available. For example, this hat, as you can see, comes in a range of different colours. So what you need to do is select the option from here, and once you're happy, come across to the right hand side where you can find more information about this item, including who it's sold by, shipping information, and details on returns and delivery, and basically everything you need to know. Now, once you're happy with everything, what you want to do is cut on the right hand side, you're going to see an add to cart button. Go ahead and give that a click, and what that's going to do is add this hat or item to your cart. As you can see on the right hand side, that's now been added. Once you've added all the items to your cart and you're ready to check out and make your order, come across to the right hand side or come up to the top and click onto the cart button. Then what you need to do is choose your shipping method. So for example, mine's this one here, choice ship by AliExpress, and tick the little circle next to it. And then what you can do is come to the right hand side and you're going to see the orange checkout button is now lit up, ready to go. So just go ahead, give that a click. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen like this where you can add your details. So that's going to be your shipping address. So you want to click here to add your shipping address. And what you would do is this is going to open up a window where you can enter your information, including your first name, last name, mobile number, and of course your shipping address, and then click confirm at the bottom. Once you've done that, you can add your payment method. So you can see for myself, I've got the option to pay by Visa or debit card or like a credit card, or there's PayPal or Google Pay. Also, if you come and click on view more, you can see all the information available on the different payment methods. Then what you would do once you've done your payment method and your shipping address, you would just come down to the bottom. You can see a window for the shipping, for the delivery. If you've also got any promo codes, if you come to the right hand side, you can see there's a section here for promo codes. Just click onto the drop down menu here, this drop down arrow, and you can enter a promo code into here. After completing everything, just simply come down and click onto the place order button, and what that's going to do is place your order and you are good to go. You would have successfully ordered from AliExpress. So that is how to order from AliExpress. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.